That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. Stop it. Love each other.
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog.
Let's go for a walk, okay? Come on.
So Leo's not very cooperative.
Come on, Leo. Let's go for a walk. Leo, come on. Come on. Don't play dead. Let's try again. Okay, come on. Come on, Leo.
You're worthless, cat. Worthless.
Dicky.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Why I love Nestle Crunch.
Hi. No.
Cooper, I'm sorry for calling you a dusty chinchilla. Yes, I am! You're not even a dusty chinchilla, you're more just like a Cabbage Patch Cat. I didn't raise you to talk to me like that. I love you anyway.